You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud. The world of life and destiny is fragile. Someone has to protect it.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What is shark thing feet? Hulk like shark thing.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
My
Powering up! Here comes trouble! You know what to do, spiders? Mine's in place.
That's much better. Sorry, you made this mess, Spectre.
Just needed a few repairs.
Survive this!
To do, spiders? We've got to walk on them!
Us against the world!
Kill the spiders! This is gonna hurt.
Double kill!
Powering up! It's spider time!
A little extra oomph.
Ready for another go, spider?
Let's do this.
found one of their soldiers.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
You're up, little one.
Castle's turret is out of service.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
This is gonna hurt. You're up, little one. This is gonna hurt.
Moon Knight placed it on.
I promise we'll finish this, Aurora.
Behold the god of thunder!
A health boost.
Ready for another go,
Fine by
spider?
me.
Got eyes on some bogeys.
A little help, please.
This is gonna hurt.
Get that vehicle moving again!
It's spider time! Powering up. You're down.
Our path to victory
is gonna hurt. You're up, little one.
No worries. Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Any one of us could be next.
Full arsenal primed. I'm counting on you, friends. Time for some fireworks.
We are the royal escorts.
You've got to walk on them. Destroy that arc. I hope I'm not cursed now.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Time for some fireworks.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
I'm counting on you, friends. Let's do some damage.
I am ready to put on a show.
Behold the god of thunder!
The trap works. Time for some fireworks.
Shields up.
The moon haunts you!
This statue is sacred to T'Challa. It
Time
must be
for
delivered
some
safely.
fireworks.
Lost in the immense.
Your big chance.
Keep our eyes on this spot. Powering up. This is gonna hurt.
Incoming.
No place to go.
A little help, please. The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2,
The
go!
spider controlling my suit is small, but fierce. Just like me.
Everything.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
How do you contain such vast energy as the weather?
If I tried to contain it, I wouldn't last long. I channel it.
Yes, it's the same with me and life energy.
And then when you unleash the power, there's nothing like that in the world.
You're up, little one.
The battle starts in 5, 4,
Time
3,
for some
2,
fireworks.
1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
The Master Weaver is not going to be thrilled with me for jumping around realities. Woohoo! I know that sound!
Oh, I need assistance.
This is gonna hurt. I'm counting on you, friends. You've got to walk on them. Powering up. Time for some fireworks. Spider boss is just like mine. Uh-oh. This is gonna hurt. Here go the spiders.
I can't believe we lost Logan.
Time for some fireworks. Need a few repairs?
Only 60 seconds left.
Good job, spiders!
You're mine.
Hostile ahead.
Clean up your